This lot's for sale. They sold two. Lot 2, lot 3, lot 4, lot 5. So you can put 6 houses here. Mount Pleasant Road. Call Andrew Caroline 267-559-0544. Just in case you can't see it. It's 267-559-0544. Mount Pleasant Road. Lot for sale. They sold 2 already. It says on the other side. Here's what it looks like. But it goes all the way back that way. That's what it looks like if you, all those things you gotta put in. Last time I came here, they weren't doing anything. I don't think they're working on it anymore. So they already did that wall, that's all they did. It's Mount Pleasant Road and Spring Mill Road. Spring Mill Road is right down there, right down that way. And up here is Fatey Ave, whatever, or Lati Ave, whatever, something like that. All right, gotta go.